Geology Excellence. High yield MCQs to master every competitive exam. Refine your geological concept and boost your exam accuracy with Dr. A classes. What is the Earth's innermost layer? A. Mantle. B. Outer core. C. Inner core. Or D. Crust. The correct answer is C. Inner core. Despite extreme temperature that should melt metals, the inner core remains solid because of the immense pressure from the layers above it. It is composed mostly of iron and nickel. The theory that describes the large scale movement of Earth's lithosphere is A. Seafloor spreading, B. Plate tectonics, C. Continental drift, D. Subduction. The correct answer is B. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the overreaching modern theory. It combines the older idea of continental drift with the newer discovery of seafloor spreading to explain how Earth's surface moves. The boundary where two tectonic plates are pulling away from each other is known as A. Convergent, B. Transform, C. Divergent, or D. Subduction. The correct answer is C. Divergent. At divergent boundaries, plates move apart, typically creating new crust as magma rises to fill the gap, like the mid-Atlantic ridges. What does the Mohorovičić discontinuity or MOHO separate? A. Crust and mantle, B. Outer and inner core, C. Upper and lower mantle, D. Lithosphere and asthenosphere. The correct answer is A. Crust and mantle. The moho is the boundary between Earth's brittle crust and the denser rocky mantle. It was discovered by observing changes in the speed of seismic waves. Which rock type forms specifically from the cooling and solidification of molten rock? A. Sedimentary, B. Metamorphic, C. Igneous, D. Fossiliferous. The correct answer is igneous. Igneous rocks, from the Latin ignis for fire, form when magma underground or lava on the surface cools down and hardens. Rocks formed by compaction and cementation of mineral or organic particles are A. Igneous, B. Metamorphic, C. Sedimentary, or D. Plutonic. The correct answer is C. Sedimentary. This process is called lithification. Sedimentary rocks often contain fossils and are usually formed in layers or strata. Which of the following is an example of a foliated metamorphic rock? A. Marble, B. Quartzite, C. Slate, or D. Hornfels? The correct answer is C. Slate. Foliation refers to the repetitive layering in metamorphic rocks. Slate has very fine layering because its minerals were flattened and aligned under intense pressure. What is the process that breaks down rocks into smaller fragments without moving them? A. Erosion, B. Weathering, C. Deposition, D. Lithification. The correct answer is B. Weathering. Weathering is the wear and tear that happens in place. Once these fragments are moved by wind, water, or ice, the process becomes erosion. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, which mineral is rated as 10? A. Quartz, B. Diamond, C. Talc, D. Calcite. The correct answer is B. Diamond. Diamond is the hardest natural substance on Earth due to the extremely strong covalent bonds between its carbon atoms. Which mineral is the primary ingredient found in limestone? A. Quartz, B. Feldspar, C. Gypsum, D. Calcite. The correct answer is D. Calcite. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed mainly of calcite, which often comes from the skeletal fragments of marine organisms like coral. Which mineral is famous for having perfect cleavage in three directions at 90 degree? A. Quartz, B. Mica, C. Halite, D. Amphibole. The correct answer is C. Halite. Halite, common salt, breaks into perfect little cubes because its internal atomic structure is a cubic lattice. When the hanging wall moves downward related to the foot wall, the fault is called a. Reverse fault, B. Strike slip fault, C. Thrust fault, D. Normal fault. The correct answer is D. Normal fault. In a normal fault, gravity pulls the upper block, that is hanging wall, down. This typically happens in areas where the Earth's crust is being stretched apart. The point on the Earth's surface located directly above where an earthquake starts is A. Epicenter, B. Hypocenter, C. Fault plane, or D. Seismic zone. The correct answer is A. The epicenter. The epicenter is the map location on the surface. The hypocenter or focus is the actual point deep underground where the rock first breaks. What is the largest unit of time used in the geological time scale? A. Era, B. Period, C. Epoch, or D. Eon. The correct answer is D. Eon. An eon represents the greatest span of time, hundreds of millions to billions of years. Eons are divided into eras, which are further divided into periods. Which geological era is famously nicknamed the Age of Reptiles? A. Paleozoic, B. Mesozoic, C. Cainozoic, or D. Precambrian. The correct answer is B. Mesozoic. The Mesozoic era, approximately 252 to 66 million years ago, saw the rise, dominance, and eventual extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. Level up your geological expertise and stay ahead of the competition. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Dr. A classes for detailed lectures and winning exam strategies. Thanks.